Math 1, final benchmark, number 38. The expression 5,000 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 4 raised to the 4t power represents the amount of money in a savings account where interest compounded quarterly. All right, that's important, quarterly, because that's where the 4 here and the 4 here comes from, number of compounds, after t years. So t represents the number of years. What does 1 plus 0.05 divided by 4 raised to the 4 power represent? So what does this inside part here represent? All right, so if you look at our choices, all of these match exactly all the way to the end. So it says the factor by which the amount of money in an account is multiplied. So it's either this, 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 or this. All right, so compounded quarterly, that's where the 4 comes from. So this represents quarterly, but what does it represent as far as in terms of t? All right, so it says where interest compounds quarterly after t years. So this inside part is going to be the factor by which the amount of money is it multiplied 1 time per year, 4 times per year, multiplied after 4 years, and multiplied every 4 years. So this doesn't have anything to do with it because quarterly means 4 months. You know, it's like, or 4 quarters in a year is talking about months, not years. And then multiplied 4 times per year. So it's not multiplied 4 times per year. It's compounded quarterly. So that's not going to be the case either. So the only one that makes sense is the factor by which the amount of money in the account is multiplied 1 time per year. So each year it's going to be compounded based on this part of the equation. So you can see that that is just this inside part. You start with the initial amount of $5,000 and t is the number of years. So it's going to be multiplied by that compounded factor 1 time per year. So the answer to number 38 is A.